guys, it's Princess Clovy, and today I'm gonna play some more Stardew Valley. So let's get to it. Alright, so I keep finding cool stuff, but my backpack's full. Does this sound like you? Well, Pierre's got you covered. Alright, so I can go pick up a backpack. But for now, let's water our pretty plants. Right now, we don't have that many plants to deal with. Okay. Alright, let's go, let's go. Now the music kicks in. I'll keep my pickaxe on for now. The music in this game's really cute. Alright, so let's go talk to Linus again. Have you come to ridicule me? No. I'm just minding my own business. No, I just want to talk. I could never do that. Alright, so just a quick run through the foraging. I don't see anything. Oh! Maru. Have you met my mother? She's the town's carpenter. Yup. Alright, so let's go meet Willie. That way we can get our fishing rod. Fishing is one of the best ways to make money in here, especially early game. It's really difficult when you start out, though. There he is. There's some nice old man out by the lake. The ocean, I mean. Oh, hi there, miss. Heard there was a newcomer in town. Good to finally meet you. I'm still trying to unwind from a month out in the salty seas. It was a big haul. I sold lots of good fish. Finally saved enough to buy me a new rod. Here, I want you to have my old fishing rod. It's important to me that the art of fishing stays alive, and hey, maybe you'll buy something from the shop once in a while. Heck yeah. I'll be getting the food to help me with fishing, for sure. Bamboo pole. There's good water here in the valley, all kinds of fish. Oh yeah, my shop's back open now, so come by if you need supplies. I'll also buy anything you catch. If it smells, it sells. That's what my old pappy used to say. Alright. Now we get to get our little taste of fishing. It'll just take longer for something to bite. But that's okay. Things will still bite no matter where you cast it. It'll just take a longer time. Alright, so I suck at fishing when it's level 1, so let's... The bar is so tiny. Alright, I actually got something. Yeah, you guys can mock my fishing. I am not good at it. I wonder if there's any foraging that's good here, too. I want to get some good fish, though, because the quicker I get, like, fishing better, like the bar bigger, the better that fishing will be overall. Oh, I actually got a silver star? Weird. I don't think that was worth any star. Oh. Hello. We've not met yet. Ah, the new farmer we've all been expecting, and whose arrival has sparked many a conversation. I'm Elliot. I live in this little cabin by the beach. It's a pleasure to meet you. Yay! I met one of the difficult people to meet. I love all the cute little animals and bugs they have in here. Abigail! Oh, that's right. I heard someone new was moving into that old farm. It's kind of a shame, really. I always enjoyed exploring those overgrown fields by myself. Well, sorry for taking that from you. Oh, we found some leeks! Look at that! We found some forage! Heck yeah! Alright, and the dandelion. Oh, 2 dandelions. Sometimes you'll find more. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm full. I'll start heading back around 9 because I don't want to pass out. Nobody's around. Tend to be a raccoon. I should go a little bit closer to the water. Alright, let's see if we get anything. I haven't done any cold water. Cold water. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I haven't done any freshwater fishing yet. Let's see if we get anything. I'll just give it like 2 tries to get fishes, basically. I'm not even gonna go for that chest right now. Oh, maybe. Okay. It's probably gonna have like nothing important in there, but I guess this fish is pretty laid back. So let's see what we get. Oh, it's a bass, that's why. Oh, I got bait! Okay. Oh wait, this pole doesn't take bait. Okay, I'll just save that for when I get a better pole then. I forgot about that. Oh, I heard a fish. I heard something. Yeah! Okay. Alright. Another easy fish. Smallmouth bass? Nope, it's a bream. Oh, I got a gold star one. So I'm gonna go by the bar and say hello to everyone. Hi, I'm Clint. I'm the town blacksmith. If you ever need to upgrade your tools, I'm your guy. Go in there so I can raid the trash. Yes. Oh, I got bread. Oops. Hello there. Alright, talk to everyone. What? What do you want? Go away. Is anyone over here? Nope. Alright, round this way. Hi, Gus, give me another round. Hi, please relax and enjoy yourself. I work part-time at Gus's Saloon. It pays the bills. Alright. And time to head back home. I got a few extra fish I can put in there. I should probably keep that bread for now since my energy is so low. Whee! Alright, so drop off the fish. And now I'm gonna go put these in my chest. And I'm gonna take this watering can out. I don't have a pet yet, but there we go. So now I'm gonna waste all of my energy that I can. Let's clear out some of this area. My farm is an absolute mess. Oh, my axe I have in here. So let me just take that out real quick. That is not an axe. Let me get through here. Do. Bonk. I'll go back and get that. I'm just gonna go around and clear out some more. There we go. Where is my axe? I'm so not used to having my axe so far away from everything. Alright, clear some more brush. And now it's getting hard to see. I got some more mixed seeds. I can actually plant that before bed. Alright, so I'm gonna plant my mixed seeds before bed. Oh, this is gonna look so ugly. Oh well. Who knows? Could get something. Alright, there we go. Now it's time to go to bed. And I'd say that was a successful night. So let's go to bed. Oh, level 1 foraging. Alright, so now I can make wild seeds and field snack. Field snack is super helpful. I'm going to be getting a lot of that because of my trees. And level 1 fishing. Alright. Day 2 I think was a success. And we're going to continue more of the game in the next upcoming episode. So thank you guys for watching. This has been part 2 of Stardew Valley. Let's get this farm bumping. Alright, have a good night or day, whatever it is for you. We'll see you in the next video. Clovy out.